folks, Cooking with Kelbob here for our special Merry Christmas holiday edition. We're doing a spiral ham today, but of course, along with me is my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good catch, buddy, good catch. Of course, everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the driveway, you don't have to bend over and pick it up. Hey folks, today, this is really cool. You know those spiral hams that you, like Grill Wife buys them for, I don't know, $10 for a 10-pound ham, something like that. Anyways, I've got one of those, just those plain old 10-pound spiral hams right there. And I've got it unwrapped. And what I did was I fixed a glaze. And this glaze is got ginger ale in it. It's got brown sugar, honey. Well, actually, it's got 2 1/4 cups of ginger ale. It's got 1 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of honey, 4 1/2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. I just poured a dash of apple cider vinegar in there, and 2 garlic cloves and 1 1/2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. So I boiled this, and it's kind of, nice. And then what I'm going to do is it's kind of nice. Is that what I just said? I think I did. What I'm going to do is glaze. I'm going to do this one-handed. I'm going to just start kind of glazing that in to my ham. And I've got a spoon here. And get it down in the slices. You know how they slice these things. So we're going to just get it down in there. And then after I get it all glazed up, I will fire up the old smoker, 225 for about 4 hours. It's going to be a twice smoked spiral ham. It's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. And for my business partner, Kelbob. Out.